If it's something that you're desiring for yourself and you've been thinking about it for a long time, I say go for it. He truly is the absolute best plastic surgeon in my opinion.
Everybody, here's our beautiful patient. Today, we are gonna do an augmentation for her to kind of give her a little more balance, a little bit of side boob per her goals, all right? So we're gonna take this implant, place it through a tiny little incision here. This is the main reason why I don't like to do an inframammary incision. You can see even in this bra, this bikini top, you can see an inframammary incision. So we're gonna do it here. So you have to be completely naked to see it. And even then, it's not very noticeable. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna get cleavage, side boob, upper boob. Everything's gonna be great. Nice, soft feeling gummy bear silicone implant. Stay tuned.
So I'm 26 years old. I'm getting a breast augmentation today. I've been thinking about it for 16 years, so a very long time. I came from Salt Lake City, Utah, so I flew in on Monday. I actually had a surgery scheduled with a different plastic surgeon before I heard of Dr. Barrett. And after watching all of Dr. Barrett's videos, meeting him in person, I just felt instantly comfortable with him. And obviously his results speak for themselves. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm going for the really natural look, so I feel like he's just a perfect fit for that. Now I feel just excited. I feel like Dr. Barrett kind of calmed my nerves, answered all of my questions. He truly is the absolute best plastic surgeon in my opinion. So I'm feeling ready, like 10 out of 10, ready to do it.
That's it for our augmentation. We nailed it with the sizing. We checked on table just to make sure. And then we did a border of the areola incision so she doesn't have a scar down here, okay? The end result is gonna look very similar to this patient, even though that patient is slightly a bit smaller. We're just looking for the proportions so we can match those. If you have questions about this procedure, check out our website, drdanielbarrett.com. And if you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks so much.
My recovery process has been pretty great, to be honest. The first couple days I had some discomfort and some soreness, but I have been taking the magnesium and the CBD balm, which has helped a lot with like just the pain management. But after seeing my results immediately after, I absolutely love them. Obviously they have a way to go. They need to settle into their final position, but I absolutely love them. Dr. Barrett truly found me the perfect size that matches my body frame. Having cleavage is my biggest thing. I cannot wait to be able to wear anything and just have the womanly aspect to my chest. I'm just totally stoked about my results and I love them.
So this is a week 1 result, you guys. Sitting pretty high, very kind of firm looking. You can see the skin is really tight. This is to be expected at week 1. This will drop and settle around 6 weeks. You're gonna get about 80% what you expect to have. So we're gonna continue just kind of gentle management and support for her result, and she's gonna finish her antibiotics, but so far so good.
The recovery process has been amazing. I feel like after like 2 weeks, I didn't feel any pain or any tightness or soreness, so that was amazing. Absolutely thrilled with my results. I showed Dr. Barrett like 3 goal photos, I believe, and he matched me almost identically to my goal photos, so I'm just absolutely loving them. I feel like I have a newfound confidence now, and I'm obsessed with them. I feel like I can wear literally any top, any bathing suit, and I feel very feminine now. I have that beautiful cleavage, nice fullness at the top, when before I felt like, to say the least, I feel like a 12-year-old boy almost in certain clothing. So now I just feel like a beautiful, like, grown woman, and it's been a beautiful experience. Traveling from out of town was insanely easy, to be honest with you. I just walked to the office in the morning, had my procedure, was done within 3 hours total of everything. Just went back to the hotel, recovered for a couple of days, came in for first post-op, got sutures removed, and then went back home with my new boobies. So it was super easy. The medical team was absolutely phenomenal. I felt like they were just a phone call away. They checked in multiple times after my procedure just to, you know, see how I was doing and just give me some advice if I was having like any discomfort. After having a major procedure, I feel like that was the biggest thing for me, was having that support system. So they're absolutely phenomenal. My #1 favorite thing, obviously I love my new breasts, but honestly the biggest thing that I was concerned about was the scarring. And I just laugh when people ask me about the scarring, because I don't have any visible scarring. Even my boyfriend, you know, when he sees me undressed, he's like, I would even never be able to know you got a breast augmentation because you don't have any visible scarring. It's just so beautiful. So that is my ultimate favorite thing, is no visible scarring.
Everybody, we're here with Kierra. So we are 4 months out from surgery, 300 cc's, looking really good. How do you feel about everything?
Amazing. I feel so confident. No more pain, nothing. It's just, yeah, I have big boobs now, so I'm loving that.
That's awesome. Was there anything that surprised you about the process?
Honestly, the scarring was like the most surprising because I know that Dr. Barrett's amazing. I saw all of the before and afters, but there was still that like little inkling of worry that like I would have like crazy scarring. But yeah, scarring is like a weird term to use because I don't have any scarring. Like literally is like nothing ever happened, just increase of breast size. So.
Well, that's great. I mean, a lot of that surgical techniques, a lot of the stuff that you did with the scar cream and everything like that. So the scar gels, the scar strips that we have, all of that stuff is really important to follow those instructions after getting any type of surgery, okay? So this looks really good. We have perfect finger space cleavage here. If you turn to the side, you guys, what I love about this is there's this nice natural slope here, okay? So if you were to look at these breasts, they don't look fake. How do you make this round object look natural? We went partially underneath the muscle on that top. So half underneath the muscle, half underneath her natural breast tissue. She did have nice natural breast tissue, so that helped a lot, but it was all in that pocket placement to get that implant in that perfect position to give you this natural looking result. And they're still kind of settling and healing. Final results right around 6 months. So we're going to continue scar gel, fish oil massage until that 6-month mark to help prevent capsule contracture and to keep them soft and more supple. If there's somebody else out there who is thinking about getting this done, what would be your advice to them?
I would say do it. Honestly, do it if it's with the right surgeon. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to find the right surgeon. I searched for 10 years before I found Dr.
That's
Barrett.
a long time.
Especially if you're young, like 19, 20, you only have one body. You might as well do it right, and he's the right one.
Awesome. Thanks so much. See you, everybody.